considering separate land laws for hills, says Chief Minister. Chief Minister Biren furious over destruction of saplings on Imphal-Dimapur road. Police arrests man with 4,000 pieces of WY tablet. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA, giving you the news in details. Chief Minister Biren Singh today said that the state is considering a separate land laws for hill districts of Manipur. The CM maintained that, as per Indian Constitution, when applying for financial assistance or for other formalities to banks or other formal institutions, people need to produce land identity, which they cannot do at the moment, and it hampers development of hill areas. Biren was also hopeful that the land law will also be helpful in settling land disputes.
We apply or when we ask some things for the financial assistance from the bank or from the corporate or anywhere, need identity, land identity, belongingness. So I am actively considering with the hills people, said that a separate land law for the hills, not conflicting with the present existing MLR Act, is going. It is my proposal, and I will take thorough discussion with the leader of the Hill Defense community, and it will take a little more time.
Welcoming the government's move, Outer Manipur Lok Sabha MP Lorho S. Fozi said that the government must sincerely work for it as Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reform Act 1960 somehow fails to address the need of the Hill people.
I think the government must seriously work towards it. You know, the MLR Act, which has been there for a long time, somehow has not been able to address the desires of the Hill people. The pushing forward of this particular act to impose and then to bring it under the purview of this MLR Act, though that is the desire of everybody, I think this is not acceptable to many of the Hill people.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren was furious today as he witnessed destruction of several plantlets along the Sangak-Pamkoirangai stretch of Imphal-Dimapur road. Repair of road medians is underway along the national highway. In 2004, Chief Minister N. Biren was the Minister of Forest and Environment in the previous Congress regime, and during that time, several saplings were planted along the road medians of Imphal city under the mission Green Imphal, Green Manipur. The Chief Minister inspected the ongoing improvement work of the national highway today. PWD Chief Engineer Temba and other officials accompanied him during the visit. Biren advised the laborers engaged in the median repairing for work against further destruction of saplings. Meanwhile, Chief Minister N. Biren today condoled the demise of former Manipur Minister Danny Saija. He passed away yesterday after a brief illness. He was 65. Danny Saija was born on September 21, 1954 in Imphal. Son of former Chief Minister Yangmaso Saija, Danny Saija was a three-time MLA of 44 Ukhrul constituency. He got a seat in 2000, 2002 and 2007. CM Biren visited his residence at Nagaram in Imphal. Biren paid homage to the departed leader. He said Danny's demise is a big loss to the state. The Chief Minister also said that Danny was a broad-minded leader.
Magi lehauri bimung manung puna magda sui sorna ing betapa asway ngam yaugdana hing hauna na bagi blessing adu pibiba oisnu haidana aigi side tagi aduga party ge side tagi aduga sarkar ge side tagi ai sorgem from the thoni jari.
A team of Tawal District Commander arrested a drug peddler along with 4,000 pieces of WY tablets and 36 grams of heroin from Wangjing near YK College last evening at around 9. According to a report, the arrested has been identified as 21-year-old Hekrujam Punsiba Singh, son of late H. Samungao Singh of Khongjom, Sangai Khong. The arrested along with the seized contraband items was later handed over to Tawal Police Station for further necessary legal action. Now it's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Lions Gym Health and Fitness. Competition kayada mana kaya fanglakraba well-qualified trainers singi makhada hangdokchaba khutlai matik chana leiraba amadi nupa nupi punna sanaminaba yaraba gym ne. Admission fee rupees 500 only. Monthly fee rupees 500 only. 1 year rupees 4,500. 6 months rupees 2,400. 3 months rupees 1,300. February thagi oinadi admission fee logjaroi. Pollution free location oiraba amadi tha ahum khudingi free health checkup ki khudong chabsu pijari. Ngasimag lengsin biro Lions Gym Health and Fitness. Kwakaithel Haino Khongnembi Pukri Mapal. Contact number 7005687478. Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Welcome back after the break. Naga Welfare Committee Manipur University today organized the 8th Naga Meet 2020 at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University, Kanchpur. PhD Minister L. Diko and former Minister Francis Ngajokpo also attended the event. Addressing the gathering, Minister L. Diko stressed on rainwater harvesting to solve the problem of water shortage in the state. Diko said that the people need to be made aware about various welfare schemes being taken up by the government.
We are facing problem because it's a global concern, and in particular in Manipur also, either in the hills as well in the valley, we are having a shortage of water. The season has come, dry season has come, particularly this matamchida. We have to preserve water, particularly in the chin, in the hills. We have to protect, we have to conserve forests and water in the hills. Because we are going to face problem. Therefore, we will try to promote water, we will try to conserve water. All in coordination with the departments, the forest department, water resource, and all the concerned department.
Francis Ngajokpo said higher educational institutions like Manipur University should stay away from politics because it should rather focus on bringing quality education.
Aina si university gi da suggestion pending base faculty right from top administration degi faculty members aduga different department mayam se in respect of teaching da wherebasu subject da wherebasu admission da wherebasu aduga development da wherebasu political color changhaninde once asigamba institute political color changba in respect of work, administration, aduga admission, aduga academic atmosphere, mayam sida political color changlabadi. The only university singak tanya topolai damnena purely academic, purely merit, and as far as possible, maximum justice ay tohaninge.
Saroi Ngaroi Khangba ritual, an age-old tradition of Manipur, was observed widely across the state today. Elderly women of the locality to appease the evil spirits on the first Saturday of Lamta month of Manipuri lunar calendar performed Saroi Ngaroi Khangba ritual. Vegetable items are offered to the deities in order to propitiate the evil spirits during the ceremony. The elders also seek blessing from the deities for prosperous and harmonious life. The Council of Teachers Association Kota today launched an indefinite relay hunger strike in front of Zonal Educational Office JESSIA Zone 1, Kuyatong, Imphal. Kota co-convener Dr. Longjam Ritendro said that Kota will continue its steer if the government fails to fulfill their demand by March 7. Kota is demanding rectification of revision of pay ROP 2019.
Pipegi Commission da Handaraga Amu Ozasingi Hibadi Amu Hena Handaraga Pibirak Pasida Aikogi Kotagi Saitagi Masi Ozasingi Damakta the Amna Libak Tibani Aikona Chanchala Kadoriba Akogi Hunger Strike Asigi Manung the Pabukta government Saitagi Karigumba Chapsaba Akogi response Amta Pibirak Tragadi Akoi Makatana Adumak Akoi Sidri Pausara Henbagi Kongjang Singbasu Mayama Chanchala Payai Hibasi Medragi through the Pogdom Jagi.
104-year-old veteran Mukna player Huyam Chauba of Hojai, Dhaninagar, Assam was once a ragging bull of the traditional Manipuri wrestling. Talking to our Assam Bureau Chief, the wrestler said that maintaining healthy diet and taking care of his overall health are the secret of his long lifespan. A two-day annual community contact and extension program organized by DM College of Teachers Education, Imphal, began today at Lamlong Higher Secondary School, Imphal East. The program aims to train teachers of effective teaching knowledge. Around 450 teachers from different parts of the state attended the first day of the program. Program in charge Dr. T. Surendra Singh said that the program, which ends tomorrow, will be conducted at Children's Home located at Diulalan in Imphal West.
Angang Kudimak Singse classroom the Lagadorbin Adu later Lyra to Naramayam Sing so quick Satrani, Minungsi Pautaviati, Oza City, Sama Siam Gadorabini, Habi Wakalonda, Angang Kudimak Singse, Siam Daviati, Habi Wakalonda, Sumbo program is in Jabani, Masi Sai Kuding is in Jabani, Nasanta Kating, Matang says almost in Jagani.
All Manipur Minor Irrigation Department Employees Association today bid Audi to recently retired 54 staff's member. The farewell function was held at the Minor Irrigation Department office in Imphal. Department Chief Engineer H. Brajendra, MI Division No. 1 Executive Engineer T.H. Dayananda and others were present at the occasion. All Manipur Minor Irrigation Department Employees Association President S. Sanjit, in his speech during the function, drew the attention of the concerned department on the shortage of employees and issues faced by the department.
Ikai Kumnajariba, Koigi, Hoji, Manipur government, the Hajabatare, Hoji Mining Department, employees, Adukimatic, Post Hangduna, Penzinji Marimari, Sumchaki, Namaramway, and Akoigi, Post Marimari Yam Hang, Masi, Koi Department, see Hena, Matingli, Mapang Kanba, Department, Weranga, Akoigi, Kai Kumnajariba, Lebaki Mapimpa, on even same gay Punin Chinchin Biraga, Awat, posting a same Matamchana. Mention Biraga, Achoba, Manipurgi, Praja Singi, Weba, section Kayada, Aquina Angamba contribute to one number department, Chibuma Pangal, Hena, Kalanbu, Haiba, Pumasi, Tamjaning.
Coordinating Committee All Manipur Youth and Welfare Association second phase of medical campaign has started at UGC School, Awang Kuno. Students of UGC School were given free medical checkup by doctors beside providing free medicines today. Talking to Media Person Association convener Kundrakpam Rameshwar said that in the first phase of the medical campaign in 2019, free medical camps were held at 35 private schools in the state. He also underlined on the need of organizing such medical camps regularly in old-day schools and residential schools in the state in order to maintain good health among students for a better society.
Education sector sida health haibasina khwaidagi khoigi maruoiba space amakak kanbasina maram orakana ngasai hakchangsi phadragadi hoi angangsingsi ngasai mana mathauda pukning changna thabak torokpa ngamoidabuna maram orakanda parents guardians aduga loinana school authorities singna khoigi medical ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯆꯂꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ.
One person has been killed in clashes between Khasi Students' Union member and non-tribal during a meeting on CAA and Inner Line Permit ILP in Meghalaya East Khasi Hills, after which mobile internet services have been suspended in 6 districts, media reports say today. The clashes between the Khasi Students' Union member and non-tribal broke out during the anti-CAA and pro-ILP meeting held in Ichamati area of the district yesterday. Mobile internet services have been suspended in 6 districts: is Gentia Hills, West Gentia Hills, East Khasi Hills, Reboy, West Khasi Hills and Southwest Khasi Hills of the state since last night for 48 hours. However, curfew imposed in Shillong yesterday has been lifted until further orders, according to a statement by Meghalaya state government statement this morning. Following the clashes between 2 groups in Ichanati under Shela police station yesterday, curfew was imposed at Shora subdivision from 10 p.m. to 1 p.m. today and in Shillong from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. today. Curfew has been lifted until further orders, the statement added. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing a machapan marifom do the Honachay Kuntramanga Hena, Notice India Ahan Hearing Aid Clinic Moina Lerklaba, Nauka Gi Infal Center, Mahangjare, TV Marifon Conjel, Loinana, Nil Kongum from the Tabang, the Awab Mayok Nedibana, Al Kudimak, Wabi Rugano, Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic, and Nasimak Lension Directuna, completely invisible, water resistant, Amadi rechargeable, Lodaba, digital hearing aid, Happy. Tabang Pangalwan Badomi Kangachana, Single Powers, Tambio, I could lay from the Nagamapal Main Road, Paway Sangam Lekai, near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009544159.
Adongi angang na school da kari tauri, ozana kari takpiri, yum da giyama di office tagi yamna laina, live class yengba yaraba status agi ahanba, school and daycare, tiny fit ki oina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure, healthy breakfast and lunch at school, highly qualified and caring staff, creative activities and educational games, interactive learning through music and movement, 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliyaima.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi Khudingi Leptana Topper Puthokliba CBSE Amatangairaba Coaching Center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject of Tobagi Kudong Chaba Piri. Batch Amada 15 students agi Analogade. Admission form Thazare, form Pishin Bagi Aroiba Matam February Kun. Akupamoral Gidamak Lengsun Biraksi. Marks Time Classes. Wankai Mahobom Lampak. Phone number 9436288300 Natraga 7005268735.
Welcome back after the break. At least 20 people were killed and over 60 other injured after a passenger train collided with a bus Pakistan's Sindh province on Friday. According to a media report, the accident took place near the Rohri railway station in Sukur city. Sukur Police AIG Jamil Ahmed said that the number of casualties was expected to rise as several of the injured were in critical condition, Dawn News reported. The 45 Pakistan Express train was on its way to Rawalpindi from Karachi when it collided with a passenger bus at an unmanned railway crossing. The bus was en route to Punjab and was carrying 20 passengers. The violence that began on Sunday over the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA in Northeast Delhi has killed 42 people, and the Delhi police finally seem to have sprung into action and has begun an extensive probe, a media report said. That toll in Delhi violence jumped to 42, with the health department confirming 4 more deaths on Friday. The toll was 38 till Thursday, and among them are an intelligence bureau Jawan and the Delhi police head constable. Shops were been opening on Friday in some riot-hit areas of Northeast Delhi as normalcy limped back. Delhi police has transferred the Northeast Delhi riot probe to the crime branch, and the cases will now be probed by 2 special investigation team SITs. A total of 148 FIRs have been registered and 630 people have been either arrested or detained so far in connection with the Northeast Delhi communal violence. Major cherry blossom festival in Japan have been cancelled due to deadly new coronavirus. The latest in a growing list of events crashed as the epidemic spread globally. The traditional spring celebration in Tokyo and Osaka, which attract millions of people wanting to see the white and pink flowers, will now go ahead as planned in April as per reports. Following that, in mainland China in Hubei province, where the outbreak is believed to have started, the global death has reached to 2,922. That toll in Italy reaches 21, and as many as 820 people have been affected with COVID-19. Australia has reported 2 new coronavirus cases, bringing the total number of cases to 25, while Iceland confirmed the novel coronavirus had reached the subarctic island after a man in his 40s who had recently returned from a trip to northern Italy tested positive for COVID-19. The biggest increase to that for South Korea was reported on Saturday as 594 more cases were recorded, taking the national total to 2,931 infections with 3 additional deaths. More than 90% of the new cases were in Daegu, the center of the country's outbreak. Now we have the sports news. Players and medal winners of All India Inter-University Tournament at district, state and national levels were felicitated today at Kham Manipur College, Kakching Fitness Center, Kakching. Department of Physics, Education and Sports Science, Kham Manipur College, Kakching, NCC Unit, Kham Manipur College, Kakching, and Academy of Sports, Kakching jointly organized the program. Chairperson, Kakching Municipal Council, Naurem Sanjit Kumar, Principal, Kham Manipur College, Kakching, Pukrambam Raghu, and former Principal of Kham Manipur College, Kakching, Y. Mangoljao, were also present at the event. A football ground of Kangchup Road Young Physical Sports Association, KRYSHSA, at Lamphilpat Game Village Road, Imphal was inaugurated today. The women football ground was constructed under Civic Action Program by 143rd Battalion CRPF Lamphilpat. Head coach of KRYPHSA, El Chaubadevi, said that Manipuri women are moving forward in the field of games and sports. There are already 8 Manipuri women players in Indian women football team, she said. Chaubo also expressed joy over inauguration of the only women football ground.
आपके सामने जाएगा, लड़कियां खेलने के लिए वापस आएगा, आपके सामने ही वो चिल्ला के आएगा कि वी विन द टूर्नामेंट एंड ऑल. वो सपना है हमारा. तो सीओ साहब, जब तक आप इधर हैं तो प्लीज हेल्प कृपसा, एंड वी विल आल्सो फॉलो टू मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट, आल्सो अम्फा तो हमेशा 24/7 हमारे क्लब के लिए है.
Anis Ahmed, a final year student of Master Degree in Geography in Manipur University, Kanchipur, is all set for a solo marathon to spread awareness on Green Manipur and Beti Bachao Beti Parao on March 7. The solo run, to be organized under the aegis of District Administration Bishnupur, will start from new Mini Secretariat Complex Bishnupur and conclude at Manipur University. District Commissioner of Bishnupur District Nita Rambam assured all possible support for the District Administration for the upcoming run.
Amana Green Manipur, koi Manipur si yaring isanghanba sima aduga atopa amana Beti Bachao Beti Parhao koi angang nupi masabu yogsi nupi masabu larik tamhansi hariba thim anisi convey tawraga sigi sanghaba lambi kilometer nifu rom se cover tawdoribani anisna cheliba lamjen asi message si am aruba yam important oiba message ama convey tawraga chenbanina mayamna su full support ama pibiduna magi marathon asi solo marathon asi mai pakwa ama ohenbiu haibase asi mayamda ina appeal.
Sri Lanka won the toss and elected to bat first against India at Junction Oval in Melbourne. India became the first side to sail through to the knockout stages after securing wins against host and defending champions Australia as well as Bangladesh and New Zealand in the first week of the tournament. Victory over Sri Lanka would see India top Group A and head into the semi-finals high on confidence. Novak Djokovic of Serbia saved 3 matches points before defeating Gael Monfils 2-6, 7-6, 10-8, 6-1 to reach the Dubai Championship final yesterday. It was the 17th win of the season for the world number 1 and the 17th career win over Frenchman Monfils without a loss. Report informed Djokovic will play today for a 5th Dubai Trophy against Stefanos of Greece after the second seed and 2019 finalist beat Dan Evans 6-2, 6-3. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Manipur Legislative Council on the cards. House passes appropriate bill sans opposition members. 3 arrested for ATM card skimming. CBI examines MCS CCE 2016 answer scripts. The People's Chronicle. Ministry of Home Affairs sanctions Rs 3.5 crore for DNA testing lab. Government mulling steps to block porn websites to curb sexual crimes. Chief Minister assures special investigation team probe into State Institute of Panchayat and Rural Development scam. CBI raids LDA office, residence of former officials. Center okays delimitation in 4 Northeast states. Socialist Democratic Front of Cookieland ask NSC and IM not to hurt cookies anymore. Imphal Free Press. Absconding former ADC chairman Lukhosai Joe surrenders in court. House reaffirms to establish MLC. 10th session adjourns Sine DA. Manipur Mail. House reaffirms resolution to establish Legislative Council. Ibobi expresses concern over financial crisis.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur considering separate land laws for hills, says Chief Minister. Chief Minister Biren furious over destruction of saplings on Imphal-Dimapur Road. And Thawal police arrests man with 4,000 pieces of WY tablet. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.